Hi, welcome to my channel. It was recently brought to my attention the last video I recorded about changing a single page from portrait into a landscape that there are some errors because the drop down menu, something like this, if you click on things like this, you don't see extra information coming out. So I'll just drive straight to this video. So I have all my documents in portrait orientation, and I have this figure page that is not exactly fitting well into the portrait of orientation. So what I'm going to do is to single out this particular page and change into a landscape. And to do this, what you want to do is to ensure that at the last page of the document that you are writing, that's the page before the one that has the figure, go to where you end the sentence there, then click on layouts, select the sections that says break, and then you will choose next page. That way this next page is separated from the previous document. Don't mind that it has added an extra page. What I would do is just to go to the beginning of this figure and just click delete so that that figure can come back to that page. And then at the end of the page that has the figure itself, bring your cursor towards that end of the page and insert another page break by clicking on page break next page. If you select that also, you can see that now you have this page isolated out and this other one as well. So I will just come back here and delete this so that it can eliminate the extra page. Now this page, I'm going to move the cursor towards the beginning of the page that has my figure, and what I'm going to do is to go to the section that says orientation and I will change it to a landscape. And as you can see, immediately I chose that, that particular page has changed into a landscape or orientation. So I will just use the back delete icon to delete the extra page that it created. So you can see the page before that it's in portrait and the one after is in landscape, and the continuous page are also in portrait orientation. So I can squeeze this down so that you can see it well on my screen. That is how to change a single page into a landscape format when you are writing your document. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to click the thumbs up button, and please write in the comment section the type of video you would like me to record next. Thank you for watching and goodbye.